Good day. Today we're looking at the Progwhiz face recognition scanner for the web browser. We have preset the credentials, the email and password. We're going to use a webcam in this instance. And we're going to look at the list and see what web cameras are attached. Noteworthy, you can use IP cameras, but for the purpose of this demo, we're using a webcam. We first click to get campaigns, which refers to a company name, a department, a school, a class, to expedite processing or permit multiple sets of faces for a particular purpose or entry. And you can also leave it global to process all faces registered regardless of the department, like in the case of entering the main entrance. And then when you want to get into specific areas, it's localized to faces that permitted entry to that area only. So we'll click Get Campaigns. There are several demos here. And what we'll do now, we'll click Start Scan. And what it will do, it'll take a picture, post it to the online cloud server, as this is a thin client, and it will provide a response to know if the face is recognized and or permitted entry. So without further ado, I'll click Start Scan. There we have it. And we got a response that the face is recognized and is permitted entry. Right now I have a delay of 5 seconds to permit review. And since we have the checkbox here to not allow consecutive IDs, same IDs, consecutively, it will not permit overscanning or duplicate scanning. There we have it.